Look at that. Look at that. This is so pretty. Okay guys, so this is a couple days later. I already had set this wig. As you saw, I went ahead and put some curls in it. The curls kind of stayed. I left it on my mannequin and the curls kind of stayed. I'm going to curl this side with you guys because I feel like this side did drop. So I left it just to show you guys how to do it. Let's just go ahead and put this on. Ooh, this color is pretty. You know what? This needs a wig grip. I'm over here sliding back, girl. So I'm just putting on a wig grip. It doesn't really matter which one you use. I'm not going to use the one with the lace because this wig does have that scalp effect, but it defeats the whole purpose of having a fake scalp. Like, this is supposed to be a 4x4, but it's basically a middle part. And I looked it up and it actually does say that this is just a middle part wig. So just note that even though this is a scalp wig, it's a middle part wig, okay, if that makes sense. So you're not going to be able to part this all kind of different ways. It's just basically in the middle because the way the wefts sit, you can't maneuver this any kind of way. All right, so this wig is super pretty. Oh my goodness, do y'all see this color? Wow. So look, this is what I was talking about, guys. You see, this is all weft. This is the middle, and this is a weft here. So yes, it's a 4x4, but you're only getting right here. Okay, so this is a middle part wig, not a 4x4 wig. So this wig was sent to me by UNice Hair. Thank you guys so much for sending me this wig. This hair feels so good, guys. It's super soft, super pretty. I already shampooed and conditioned this wig, and then I was showing you guys how I kind of styled it. But the curls, again, they fell on this side. So I was just going to show you guys how I did that. And on this side, I did this side kind of off camera for the sake of like saving time. Okay, So this is really easy to curl this. So I'm just gonna take some hair like this, and this hair takes curls really well. And I'm just gonna like bend it down, okay? Like this. I'm gonna twirl it and bend it. While I'm twirling the hair, I'm just kind of twirling it down. And you see the curl? So that's what I'm just going to basically do on this side. This hair feels really soft. At first when I saw this color being so bright, I was a little bit scared, guys, because sometimes when colors are dyed like this, like 613s and stuff, the color is dry, but this color is not dry, girl. Like, she is not dry at all. She looks really good, and she feels good. It's weird because when I first saw this wig, I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna like it. I don't know. But look, see, you don't even know what you want in life, girl. You don't know. Look how pretty this wig is. This is so fall ready. Oh my goodness. I took her out the pack, and I'm not gonna lie, seeing the fake scalp, the 4x4, but the fact that it was like a middle part just kind of threw me off. I was like,
moments later.
yeah, so this is super pretty, guys. This is so cute. I love these face framing highlights right here. And it's just, you can wear this straight. You don't have to curl it, but I just felt like curling it would give it like an extra oomph, you know? I love the fact that the hair, after I shampooed it, it's still bouncy. It still has life. It's not dry, you know? Some of these wigs, especially sometimes on Amazon, but UNice has a hair store, but sometimes you don't know what you get, you know? But this is cute. This is a whole vibe right here. I am really feeling myself. Can y'all tell? This part, it does have that fake scalp look, but this is so tight. I did have to go in and pluck it a little bit just to kind of open it up, guys. But I don't feel like you need to. I also feel like it needs a little bit of powder, but that's just my opinion. Look at what doing some powder does to this, guys. This part might look a little crooked. It's not the wig, it's the person that part the wig. So even though it does have like this fake scalp look, I feel like you absolutely do need to cover it up with some powder because the knots are so big, and you can't even go in and like bleach it or nothing. This is nothing like that you could do. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. This is so pretty. So I don't have any glue on this unit. As you see, she is glueless. She is an easy put on your head. I love the texture of this hair. The good part is that she's super affordable. This is the fake scalp ombre lace closure wig. Again, it's a human hair middle part wig, okay? This is Remy hair. It is 150% density. I feel like it's more about 130, but I don't know, somewhere in between that. But it is a good density. Like, it's a real natural density, so it's not as full. It's an everyday density to me, okay? I do have the 18-inch. This is what she's looking like. And then in the back, I'm trying to do it real fast so you don't see my curls. See? But in the back, she's coming down a little bit longer, okay? When I did shampoo this unit, so you guys aren't alarmed, I did get a little bit of dye that came out, but as you see, this color is still alive. She's still here, okay? There's no issues with that. It says that it's pre-plucked with baby hairs, but again, guys, this not pre-plucked, okay? And even if it was, you start going back into those wefts. So what am I pre-plucking? Why am I doing that? You let me know. But otherwise, she's super pretty. She's super affordable. With 18 inches in this color, it only came to $128, guys. Like, this is it, okay? This is 2 synthetic units combined, and this is actually gonna last, and I can run my fingers through it, and I'm not getting no tangling, okay? Do you see what is happening? Anyway, let me know what you guys are thinking about this wig. Thank you again, UNice, for sending me this unit. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, drop me a comment below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.